हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस्ट्रोस क्लासेस। आज हम क्लास 12th के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं और चैप्टर डिटर्मिनेंट्स। इन दिस चैप्टर डिटर्मिनेंट्स दिस लेक्चर नंबर 5, 4 lectures over. In that 4 lectures, determinant, expand and the exercise 4.1 and other definitions, remarks, important things about the determinants, how can expand any square matrix that is called determinant. Okay, in that exercise done. Now today exercise 4.2, last question, 5th question was left in the last lecture. So today this is the last question, question number 5 in exercise 4.2. Okay, NCERT book. So now 4.2 question 5, and after that we have to discuss minors and cofactors of an element. Okay, every element has its cofactors, every element has its minor. Okay, in the square matrix. Okay, or we can say in determinant. So question number 5 is, if area of a triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2, -6, 5, 4 and k, 4, then k is any value of k. Option question is there, A option, B option, C option, D option. So these are options which is correct. We have to check it. Now in this solution, area of the triangle is given. Solution, area of triangle we know, area of triangle is equal half of determinant, half of determinant x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1 and 1. This is the area formula. You know, I told that in last exercise also, in that last lecture also we have used. Now, but it is given. This is given 35. So means use here plus minus 35. This value. Okay, because area always positive and expansion of this determinant may be negative or positive, so expansion of this, half of that must be plus or minus 35. So then we have to solve case first as plus, case second as minus 35. Now first simplify, so half, 2 will go that side, so expand it. Expanding it along any one row or any one column. Okay, you know that, and values x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are given. Okay, so we have to put the values first. Half x1 2, x2 5, x3 k, so 2, 5 k. Now y1, y2, y3, -6, 4, 4. Then 1, 1, 1. this. Now simplify, expanding it along R1. This will be implies that 2 in divide here, it will go in other side in multiply, plus minus 70 will be equal, expand along R1, then 2 multiply, it is A11, ith jth is even, so multiply 1 and multiply by the remaining after cancelling the row and column, first row and first column. Then what left here? 4 1 4 1, this, then plus second element minus 6 and its ith jth sum is odd because it is A1 2, so I is 1, j is 2, then sum is odd, 3 is odd, then multiply by minus 1. You know, if odd, then multiply by minus 1 and then remaining after cancelling column and row, second column and first row cancelling, 5 1 k1, 5 1 k1, this, then third element 1 plus 1 into, it is 1 3, then even, then 1, ith jth sum is even, then multiply by 1 and multiply by remaining after cancelling column and row, corresponding column, third column and first row cancelled, 5 4 k4. This. Now simplify forward. What is case 1? Case first. Take this positive 70. Then multiply this, expand 4 into remaining 1. 4 into 1 4 and this 1 into minus 1 into 4. So 4 into minus 4. So then 4 into minus 4. Okay? This 4 into 1 4 and then plus 1 into minus 1 into 4. Then minus 4. So plus 4 means plus minus 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 4 minus 4 this and multiply by 2. This, then here minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6 into that, so plus 6 into, expand it, so 5 into remaining element 1 5 and plus 1 into minus 1 into 4, so minus 4, so 5 minus 4, 5 minus k, 5 minus k, this, then plus expand it to 5 into 1 into remaining element 4, 5 4 are 20 and 1 into 1 1 into 20. Okay, -4 into k, -4k. -4k. Now next, simplify is equal to positive 70. Then simplify 4 minus 4 0, 0 into 2 0, तो 6 5 जा 30, minus 6k plus 20, six 5 जा 30, minus 6k plus 20 and minus 4k. Is equal to 70. Simplify 30 20 50, 50 will go that side, minus 6k minus 4k minus 10k, is equal 70 and minus 50, 20. Then this implies k equal, divide by minus 10, then minus 2. Okay, now second case. What is second case? This simplest form take minus 70. Okay, so minus 10k minus 10k plus 50 is equal to minus 70. Case second. Case second means it is negative. Okay, area negative. Then simplify. This implies k is equal to minus 70 and minus 50 minus 120 and divide by minus 10. Minus minus cancel, then it is 12. So k is 12 and minus 2. So 12 and minus 2, D option is correct option. Okay, clear? D option is correct option. Done. Now next, after this minor, this exercise is over. Be careful when you are finding the unknown vertices. If area of the triangle and vertices given in any one vertices, one coordinate is unknown, means any p, any k, m, n of any vertices, any coordinate unknown, we can find if area given, like these two case. Okay, now next point, minor. What is next point? Minor. What is the meaning of minor? Minors. Generally, you know how are you expanding. So now, what is the minor of any element? Leave the element and along that element cancel the row and column. Cancel the row and column along that element and find the remaining square matrix or remaining only one by one matrix, single number, that will be minor. So we can say, what is the minor of an element? minors. It is the value of remaining square matrix. Value of remaining square matrix after cancelling a row and column along that element. Row and column. Cancelling row and column along that element. It is the value of remaining square matrix after cancelling row and column along that element. Along that element. Example, what is the example? Minor of A11. Minor of A11. Okay, first row and first column cancel. If it is 2 by 2, if n is equal to 2, if order 2 by 2, so 1 row 1 column cancel. So what left? 2 by 2, 2 row and 2 column. Okay beta, add this A11, A12, A21, A22. This is 2 by 2. If this, okay, then what left? Along A11, cancel row first and row column first. These both cancelling. What left? A22. So minor of A11 is equal to A22. This element. Okay? Minor of A21 minor A12, सॉरी कंटिन्यूस वी शुड गो, वही सब पहले लिख लो वैसे। A12 minor of this second element of first row 1 2 first row second element, ठीक है। तो it means here cancel first row and along this element column is 2, understand? So column 2 cancel, now first row and second column cancel, what left now? A21, so then this left A21, this element, these are the cofactor. Now similarly A21, sorry minor of A21, so minor of this element A21, so this is second row and first column, 2 means row and 1 is column, so first column cancel and second row along, this sentence cancelling row and column along that element, so that element is A21, so 2 is the number of row and 1 is column, we know Ij, Aij, ठीक है बेटा। तो 2 row and first column cancel, तो what left here A12 element, remaining element A12, okay। स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स लेफ्ट होगी, उसको रिमेनिंग वैल्यू ऑफ दैट रिमेनिंग स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है। यहाँ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स 1/1 की रिमेनिंग है, बिकॉज टोटल इज n इज 2/2 है, तो लेफ्ट ओनली 1 रो 1 कॉलम कैंसिल, तो 1 एलिमेंट विल लेफ्ट, ओके। नाउ सिमिलरली फोर्थ एलिमेंट, व्हाट इज A22, A22, दिस cofactor of A22, sorry, minor of A22, sorry, minor of A22 along this element 2 means ith also 2, jth also 2, number of row also second and number of column also second, so second column cancel and second row cancel along this, so left here only A11, understand this thing. This is example 2/2, okay। Now 3/3, if 3/3, then similarly remaining square matrix, you know we have expand like this, okay, minor used in the expansion also, ठीक है, only remaining, but now you understand next point, cofactor, you will understand similarly in the 3/3 also. One example I given here, you can do that. Now next, cofactors, okay beta। Now cofactors, definition of cofactor, cofactors also similarly you understand, similarly means here what are the minor, multiply by minus to that where that element sum of ith jth is odd, multiply by -1 to the minor to get the cofactor where element ith jth sum is odd, you can write, otherwise same, तो cofactors, the value of the minor the value of minor is called the cofactor is called the cofactor. The value of minors is called the cofactors, but same called the cofactors, but in case where I plus j but in case where I plus j is odd, but in case where I plus j is odd, multiply by minus to the minor, multiply by minus multiply is odd, multiply by -1, multiply by -1 to the minor, to the minor. Okay, and the negative of minor in case I plus j is odd. This. So then example, if 2 by 2, if n is equal to 2, means a11, a12, a21, a22, if determinant this, then for example this, then cofactor cofactors represented by minor represented by M, cofactor represented by C. Okay, so then C11 is equal to cofactor of 1 element, that will be same as minor, because ith jth sum is even as it is. Then cofactor of 1 2 C12 की value what will be? It will be ith jth sum here 3, that's why odd, that's why if odd then multiply by -1 to the minor. So means this cancel, this is the minor A21, to multiply by minus of this element A21. Okay, then cofactor of A21 element is represented by C21, and it will be equal to, because here 21 ij sum is again odd, so multiply by minus to the minor, and minor means along this cancel and row, then A12, then last element cofactor of A22 C22, then here ith jth sum is even, so as it is what is minor, so minor along this row and column cancel, then A11 as it is A11. So what is the difference between cofactor and the minor? Minor as it is remaining element after cancelling the row and column along that element, and cofactor is same what is the minor if ith jth of that element is even, but if ith jth sum is odd of that element, which cofactor we are finding along that minor, negative of the minor, multiply by -1 to the minor. If minor is negative, then multiply by minus, that will be positive. Any remaining element after cancelling the corresponding row and column along that element, which element cofactor we want to find. Okay, now after that एक specific example I will give, then you will understand. Okay, ठीक है, specific example इसी में माइनर समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, 2 1 -2 -1 0 3 -3 2 1. I am taking this 3 by 3 determinant. Okay, so cofactor I am finding of this. Clear? Now see here, cofactor means first element 2, so means C12. Cofactor of 2 we can say C12. Cofactor of first A11 का A11 एलिमेंट. ठीक है, तो कोफैक्टर ऑफ 2 भी लिख सकते हैं. इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? कोफैक्टर ऑफ 2. Cofactor of 2 means what is along this row and column A11, it is one row one column, so first column and first row cancel, remaining 0 3 2 1. Understand? So 0 3 2 1, expand this 0 3 2 1. Value of this, a value of this, understand? Value of this means 0 into something 0, and 3 into it is minus. Understand? -1 मल्टीप्लाई, बिकॉज ये A12 एक्सपेंड करना है, इसे इसकी वैल्यू है जो भी आएगी. ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर? देन -3 into 2, remaining cancel and cancel, remaining is 2. एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं, कोफैक्टर नहीं लिख रहे हैं, एक्सपेंड। तो -3 इंटू 2 -6। ओके बेटा, -6 क्लियर हो गया, डन। एक्सपेंड हो गया along one row and one column. This is -6. This now C12 and cofactor of this 1 we can say. So cofactor of this, it is A12 element, that is 1. So cofactor of 1 is along this column cancel, along this row cancel, remaining -1 3 -3 1, -1 3 -3 1, remaining स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स वैल्यू। ठीक है बेटा, कोफैक्टर ये माइनर आ रहा है, इसको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी, चूँकि 1 2 है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस। ओके, क्लियर? तो लाइक दिस वी हैव टू डू। हेलो, नाउ सिमिलरली, नाउ फॉरवर्ड दिस एक्सपेंड करो, एक्सपेंड करो इसे, इसकी वैल्यू निकालो, और ये माइनर था, इसको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करो। क्यों? बिकॉज ith jth ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट हुज कोफैक्टर वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट, सम ऑफ ith jth इज ओड हेयर, 1 + 2 3, तो दैट्स वाई ij sum 3, that's why multiply by minus to this value, to this minor. So this was the minor, multiply by minus. Now simplify this. So minus outside and bracket, solve this, solve किया, पहला एलिमेंट -1 इंटू 1 इंटू 1, तो -1। ओके बेटा, प्लस एलिमेंट इज 3, एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं ना बेटे इसको, ठीक, एंड इंटू -1, बिकॉज ith jth ऑफ दिस 3 is odd, and remaining after this and this cancel, remaining -3. This is the value of this 2 by 2 square matrix. Okay, now this value is the minor and multiply by minus, so this will be equal -1 and -1 into -3 into 3, तो 3 1 जा 3, +3 and +3 +9, -1 + 9, तो +8, +8 and multiply by minus। ठीक है, तो -8। This is the cofactor of 1 2, cofactor of third element -2 means it is 1 3, so cofactor of this -2 is along this cancel and this value of this, and it is, this element is 1 3, sum is even, so no multiply any -1, यानी simple minor, तो minor is along this column and cancel row, तो -1 0 -3 2, एक्सपेंड दिस। ओके, ठीक है, along this cancel and this cancel, -1 0 -3 2, now expand means -1 this element along R1 expanding, -1 into 1 into 2 plus 0 into -1 into -3 0, then equal -2। ठीक है, this is your 1 3, then after that similarly you can find every element cofactor. So like this, if you are going to find cofactor of -1, so we can say it is the element of, then cofactor of, it is second row and first column 2 1, so this cofactor of this element, okay, remaining means along this second column and first row cancel, and it is 2 1, a 2 1. So sum is IHJH sum is odd, that's why -1 से multiply and expand the remaining square matrix after cancelling the column row 2 column 1, then 1 minus 2 to 1. Okay, then equal, minus out, expand it, so 1 into 1 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1 and into 2. Okay beta, clear? Minus 2 element into minus 1, because ith of this element is odd, so minus 1 से multiply into remaining cancel and then 2, so remaining is that 2. ठीक है, this is the expansion of this, and minus से multiply, तो solve किया, minus 2 into minus 1 2, 2 2 जा 4, 4 plus 1 5 and minus out minus 5. So similarly we can find other C2 2. If you are going to calculate, then only even n का sum, तो it means only minor का meaning इसका A22 है, तो इसको along this second column and second row both are cancel, then 2 minus 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 and minus 3 1, this. Okay, then expand it along first row, so 2 into 1 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 3, this full, it is 2 2, no need that equal, then multiply minus 3 minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus, then minus 2 1 ja 2, 3 ja 6, minus 6, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Okay, so C22 is minus 4. Done, clear? After that you can find similarly C23, what will be? Find C23. Similarly every element we can find cofactor, then it is C23 means second row third column, this cofactor. Now along this column and row cancel, 2 1 minus 3 2, 2 1 minus 3 2, this value of this, and it is 2 3 5, then multiply by minus, it is the minor को minus से multiply, because sum of IHJH is odd here, 5, 2 plus 3 5. So say expand it minus and expand it 2 into 2 4 and plus 1 into minus 1 into minus 3, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, 3 1 ja 3, this, then it is minus 7. Okay, similarly we can find the third row. Okay, like this we can do. Okay, now understood? Like this we can expand, we can find the cofactors and the minor. Be careful about this, and you like, share and subscribe the channel and send the videos to the others and say to them कि अपना कोई कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट ज़रूर लिखें जैसी वीडियो लगी आपको. थैंक यू.